remind you that the previous 2 terms of Felix as the president, I was the MC, and I also wrote a poem for that occasion. And I'm very jealous today because he asked my wife to be MC. Okay. All right, let me read the let me read today's Chinese poem. 紐英倫中華公所2026-2027職員就職典禮，雷鳴金鼓紐英倫，國泰民安智勇人，揮灑自如來互動，公所中華共感恩，僑社龍頭大家來。擔任司儀世展才，陳氏媳婦黃家良，海南董事最心開，係我奉獻俾大家，希望大家中意。